latest updates, subscribe to News 9. On the back of an all-round performance, Chennai Super Kings defeated in-form Royal Challengers Bangalore by 8 wickets in Dubai on Sunday's first game. In what was a comprehensive victory, the three-time champions ended their 3 games losing streak and registered the 4th win of the campaign. After electing to bat first, RCB batsmen lacked energy and failed to provide impetus into their innings. Credit goes to Chennai bowlers who bowled in right areas and kept the dangerous RCB batting lineup at bay. CSK bowlers did an excellent job to keep the likes of Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers in check. Even though Virat Kohli scored a half century, his innings wasn't impactful enough in Dubai. Sam Curran, who has been among the few CSK players who have played well in the tournament, once again rose to the occasion. The Englishman, with his left-arm medium pacers, was just brilliant against RCB in Dubai. Sam Curran bowled 3 overs against Royal Challengers Bangalore in Dubai and picked up 3 wickets, including that of Virat Kohli. The left pacer gave away just 19 runs and registered an economy rate of 6.30 during his spell at the Ring of Fire. On the back of an outstanding bowling effort, Chennai restricted RCB to just 145 runs. In reply, Chennai got off to a flying start with openers Faf du Plessis and Rituraj Gaikwad showing intent right from the word go. Gaikwad looked an ominous touch with the bat and anchored the run chase to perfection. The likes of du Plessis, Ambati Rayudu played around Gaikwad and Chennai chased down the target with 8 balls to spare and with 8 wickets in hand. Rituraj Gaikwad scored 65 runs in just 51 deliveries against Royal Challengers Bangalore in Dubai. The young right-hander smashed 4 boundaries and 3 sixes, while he registered a strike rate of over 127. After the game, CSK skipper MS Dhoni asserted that everything against RCB went according to the plan.
This was one of the perfect games. Everything went as planned. The execution was there and we were able to pick wickets regularly to restrict them to a total that is slightly below par on a wicket like this. In the middle overs, we have struggled to take wickets. In the games we have gone for runs, it was big in the death overs. That could be one of the reasons why we didn't do well in this season. We haven't been consistent with the bat. Today the start was very good. Gaikwad played really well, backed himself to play the shots that he would play rather than worry about big shots.
Chennai is now out of the playoff contention, but in the face of Sam Curran and Rituraj Gaikwad, the Dad's Army has something to build on for the next edition of the IPL.